And it's in the same time that the two officials that we referred to, or two persons, was viewed on the camera for a few seconds on the video footage that was shown to the committee.
Why are you telling us that 2:30, 2:59 the fire broke? It was then reported at 4 o'clock. Why are you giving us 4 o'clock at the fire broke?
Because that's the official time that the fire broke, Your Honourable Member, that
But that
led
is
to the
not.
incident.
That is not. The CCTV footage says 2:59 it was reported from your controller room. 2:30 fire broke. You are saying here 4 o'clock fire broke. Why are you not saying to us that at 4 o'clock in terms of your documentation and your administrational processes, that's when it was recorded? You are confirming that 3 o'clock indeed it broke, but you are writing to us here in black and white that it's 4 o'clock.
Honourable Member, I can only I'm sorry that 3 o'clock is not included in the document. It was, however, included in our investigation. It was looked at, and as I've indicated, that gave the reasons why we acted against the employees.